Paul with Rack Attack, and this is the Tepui Foothills rooftop tent. Here we have it installed onto this vehicle that's equipped with a Thule approved roof rack for this application. Now this tent is unique in that it has a very narrow form factor. So what it allows for is when it's deployed or when it's stowed, it will leave approximately half of your roof rack space left over. So that gives you the opportunity to carry other gear on your vehicle while still giving you a great place to camp out overnight. So we have it fully deployed. It has the Rainfly installed. That's a nylon Rainfly, while the actual canopy is poly cotton. And it's designed to where you'll have a comfortable space on the inside for one person and a cozy space for two people. So I'm gonna go ahead and climb up inside, and that way we can look at the inside. So on the inside, you have some features which allow for this very small form factor. So these are telescopic supports for the canopy, and when you're stowing the tent, you just press the button to release those, and that will help make the canopy and the frame all fit within the very narrow stowed position. Now also you have windows on both sides and on each end. You also have the windows openings on the top, which will provide you a very nice clear view when the Rainfly is removed. You also have two gear storage pouches for your phone or other essentials. And then the mattress itself that I'm sitting on is a very comfortable mattress to provide a good night's sleep. Now here we also have a storage pouch where all of the support rods that are currently supporting the Rainfly can be stowed. And then those same support rods can be used for the window openings on the two sides if you prefer to have no Rainfly and just use these door openings as your awnings. Okay, so next what we'll do is we'll set the camera up on a tripod, and so that way you can see this tent being stowed. Okay, now with the tent fully stowed, you can see the narrow form factor and all the extra space left over on the roof rack system. And so those are all the key features of the Thule Foothills rooftop tent. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments on this product in particular, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.